is the way that you left me. Side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me. Oh, now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake now, you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share another episode of my Fall in Love with Fall series, and this time we are doing DIY glam pumpkins. I hope you enjoy. So guys, I've got quite a collection when it comes to my pumpkins now. I have 2 thrift store pumpkins that are actually cookie jars, and today I'm going to give them a glam makeover. So I'm going to start first of all with this one, and I've painted this many colours guys, and it has a few imperfections. So I'm going to start first of all by sanding it down. Now I've also got this one, and you can see that I done a DIY on this from last year. So what I'm doing is I'm just removing all the beads, and then I'm going to remove the glitter from the stem. I'm then going to take the bottom and I'm going to go in with 2 coats of this gorgeous blush pink. Now guys, this is actually a colour match from a piece of home decor I had, but I'll leave the formula for you down below.
I told you I'm not yours anymore. No, I'm not yours. So why you trying to hold on when I'm not there for you? Wanna take a different lane.
So guys, I recently picked up this flower from Bunnings, and I had a great idea in mind by taking it outside and spray painting it gold. Now off camera I ended up giving this 2 coats. Now then I took the lid. Now I took off as much of that glitter as I possibly could, and I'm going to take that outside and also spray the top of it gold.
Let me go.
Now while that was drying, I'm going to start on the second pumpkin, and I'm going to spray paint the bottom of it guys, this beautiful coastal blue by Rust-Oleum. Now once the other lid was dry, I'm then going to go back in and add some pink paint.
Don't call me, I don't wanna talk to you. I'm better off not talking to you. But why you trying to hold on?
Now on the blue pumpkin I spray painted the lid gold, and then I'm going to go in guys and I created a bow off camera with this beautiful ribbon from Amazon. Now to really glam things up, I had this pretty ribbon which is from Spotlight, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut 2 tails to go in front of the ribbon. Now off camera, I simply hot glued those in place. I also put one in the middle. I absolutely love working with wide ribbon, guys. You can create so much beauty out of a wide piece of ribbon.
First time I ever saw you, I fell in love when you entered the room.
Now off camera, I also added this gold glitter bow, which is from my local dollar store.
But I knew right away that I will be with you until I stop breathing. I will keep loving you as long as my heart's beating. Oh, hold me close, promise you won't let go. I'm nothing without you, I don't know what I would do without you. You are the one I choose, I wanna grow old with you. I'm nothing without you, I don't know what I would do without you.
Now coming back to our pink pumpkin, I'm going to take that gold flower, and what I'm going to do here, guys, I'm just playing around with it to measure it, and I wanted to see how it would cascade out of the stem. So I'm measuring here and cutting it to size.
I will be with you until I stop breathing. I will keep loving you as long as my heart's beating.
Now you'll notice here there's still a little bit of red showing through, but I'm going to show you in the next clip, guys, how I cover that.
I don't know what I would do without you. You are the
So I'm just showing you here that I have glued it just to the top of this pumpkin, so I can still lift the lid to use it as a jar, but if you're using a whole pumpkin, you wouldn't have to worry about that. Now I'm just showing you here the pieces that are still red, and I'm just going to go in with some extra stems and glue them in place.
down. Oh, hold me close. Promise you won't let go. I'm nothing without you. I don't know what I would do without you. You're the one I choose. I wanna grow old with.
Now I added a pretty brown ribbon to the stem, and I'm also going to go in with that glam ribbon and use the same method as the first pumpkin. Now I added this pretty brooch to the middle, and I also had some of these glitter leaves that I used. They actually were a Christmas ornament, and I pulled them off, and I'm just going to scatter them around the stem.
I met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't want to let you go. Cause we wanted different things and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on your own.
Guys, I truly love taking my existing decor and giving it a makeover. I went through my boxes of pumpkins and I came across these two thrift store pumpkins, and I knew that I could give them a new lease of life and create something really glamorous with them, and I really love how they came. Now guys, you'll notice here on the pink pumpkin, I actually changed out the brooch and I just put a little burlap bow. I just felt like the brooch, you couldn't see the stem, so that's why I changed that.
Met him on a sunny day in late July and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I couldn't get him off my mind. Lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't want to let you go. Cause we wanted different things and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on your own. How to carry on your own.
Now guys, if you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelles Glam Home. I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves sharing my passion for DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and home tours. So if that's something that may interest you, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelles Glam Home family.
Can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah. Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds. And I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me,
you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to making over your existing pumpkins. Don't forget, guys, to give me a big thumbs up. It truly helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can. And I'd love most of all if you would hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelles Glam Home family. So guys, don't forget, I'll be back Sunday morning. I have another glam DIY coming your way. So if that's something that may interest you, tap your notification bell because I'll be back Sunday morning, 8:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time for another video here at Chelles Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
When I